Hello everyone. Today I wanted to cook a dish from 3 ingredients, suitable for quick and tasty cooking, and to reduce the long cooking time. The first ingredient is potatoes. I will take 4 potatoes weighing 200-250 grams, peel them and cut them into thin slices, approximately 4 millimeters. Take the products from the pantry and refrigerator and cook with me. The second ingredient is onion. I will need 1 purple onion. I cut it in half, then divide it into each strip. Pour in vegetable oil, add onion and fry until lightly browned. I lay out the potato slices so that they do not stick together and the potatoes have a golden crust. It will take 6-7 minutes so that the onion does not burn. It's time to add salt. I'll add it to taste or half a level teaspoon. Please subscribe to the channel and like it. The third ingredient is eggs. I took 2 double eggs, you take 4 pieces. Double yolk eggs are a little larger than regular ones. They're just a miracle of nature. I put the fried potatoes to the eggs and dip each piece well. I pour it into a preheated frying pan and level it with a spatula so that the bottom is even. Cover with a lid and cook over medium heat for about 15 minutes. I don't go far from the frying pan. I make sure that the bottom doesn't burn. And the eggs are not runny on top, because I'll be turning them over to the other side. Now I turn them over to the top side. My dish is not burnt. It looks great. I continue to fry for 10-15 minutes under a closed lid. While the potatoes are frying, I wanted to take a fresh cucumber from the garden. It is all in pimples and smells fresh. Potatoes with eggs are ready. The aromas in the kitchen are amazing, just drooling. So airy and delicious. Cuts easily, like ice cream. If there are potatoes and eggs in the house, then you can't go without breakfast or dinner. Now I'll try it. What did I get in the end? Potatoes and eggs are very tasty and satisfying, appetizing. Children are the first to come running to such smells. Cook with love for yourself and your family. Thank you for watching the video and I wish everyone happiness, joy and peace. And I'm off to look for a new recipe for you. Bye.